Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, and if you are new, you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, for coming back, for supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. I apologize for being missing in action for the past 3 weeks. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it when I get back from the year-end function. So today is the 5th of December. It's our company's year-end function, so I want to take you guys along to see how we go about with our year-end function. Plus, for us is the last year-end function because we're almost done with our article, so some sort of like a farewell and bye-bye to my other colleagues until I see them in the future when we do business together or we become colleagues. I don't know, but anyway, so this weekend I also have something to do, so I'm gonna see you guys again on weekend after the year-end function. But so the year-end function is at Mulder's Drift. It starts at 11. Actually no, they say the traveling time is 11, so it starts at 12. So we're gonna leave now at 11. I'm waiting for my friend Paling. She's on her way. We work together, so she's gonna pick me up and then we go to Mulder's Drift. So without delay, let me show you guys my outfit and we go and see how the year-end function, what the year-end function have in store for us. So this is my look. This is my summer look. So I got this two-piece from Legit. I'm carrying this red bag from Era, and then this flip-flops or sandals. It's what's this gonna? What's this? There's the name here, Havanias. So yes, so these are my Havanias sandals. And then, so yeah, this is my look. I like it. It's so pretty. It's so cute, actually. Very cute. So yeah, I mean, let's head out and go and play with other kids. I hope like the setup of whatever, the theme, the music, because last year they had a live band. I don't know if this year they're gonna have like speakers, DJs or what, but it's so nice. I hope also they prepare it to be so nice today. So yeah, let's go guys. I'm so happy.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's slow.
This is so cute.
At least something.
I know this is a proper one. So for maybe Baba Katle on the performance, but for something better. Better because it's performance.
But also, you know what? Maybe that's why she was like, listen, you can complete only one for this third year thing. Yeah.
Oh, did she say that?
No, I'm just thinking.
Oh. Hi. You got a cat. I have
I'm talking crazy.
Ask a big favor. Can everyone please just get seated at a table so that we can start taking down the start choices for everyone? and then we're gonna start with the speeches and the events of the day in about 15 or 20 minutes.
Get you out of my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says
you bought us a guitar. So you play for us.
I'm here for you, baby. I'm here for you. The angel of the Lord is here.
I know, you gotta talk alright. I know you gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. I wanna shit. I wanna shit. I wanna be inside.
I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Kala somsolva, kala send us those videos. What's this? Who audio Salomon? So yes. I only tap in the my event, man.
You see this guy?
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Hey guys, so today it's Saturday, the 7th of December. It's currently 18 minutes past 6. Ready to head out, so I'm going to we're going for hiking with my friend Teresho, which is Rustig. apparently is a nice hiking trail in Joburg. So I want to try it out. Apparently it's very challenging because I wanted something that is nicely, I don't want to be walking as if like I'm taking walk on one of my running route. No, I wanted something that has mountains, you know, and hills. So yeah, so apparently Rustig is a very nice hiking trail. So for those that like hiking, you can try it out and you'll see today from me, and you decide. And it looks like it's in a resort or something because you book and make payment before coming. So you book and make payment. So yeah, but let's see how the place is. But I'm already very excited. I believe those people that have recommended that it's a very nice hiking trail. So yeah, let's head out. We're supposed to actually leave it at 6, so I'm 18 minutes late. But yeah, let's head. So this is my look. I'm going to take off this actually. I like the bra inside, so I want to go with the bra, but I'm just scared that I might bend too much. So this is just a bit of a cover up. But I'm wearing my vest. It's from Mr. Price. The tights are Nike, and I'm wearing Nike sneakers. So yeah, let's rush now since we're already late.
I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now about what you do me play, yeah. Tell me now.
Sign Elan, welcome to Northwest and welcome to Northwest.
Need you to be clear, yeah. I'm waiting for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you make
See tongue. That's the Maurice.
It's giving more real.
Anyway, every car is dusty. Yo.
the war that we're fighting now. And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to.
Hey guys, we've arrived and we're about to begin our hike. And it's our first time here. When we're booking, they were busy even asking us, Scooty, is it our first time? And we said yes, and they said, it's our first time and you want to do 13? I don't know, maybe now I'm just having the confidence in the fact that I ran, or maybe it's not the same, because I ran 12 last weekend, so this is 13, so this is just like walking 13. Like how bad can it be? It can't be, right? So yeah, we are a bit nervous. I honestly thought people in December don't do hikes, but it's a lot of people in here. They're in groups, they came with taxis, so they can even fill the taxi, so it's a lot of people. But yeah, let's go. They're beginning. At least we won't be alone. There's a group of people that we're gonna be hiking with, so yeah, let's go.
I could only start, I could only finish.
Because it's Nike, it's what time is it?
Only put it only because I just didn't know.
So the beginning of our hike, let's go.
Yeah. What it do? This excitement
But we're already anxious.
I'm very anxious. Like I'm dying.
But I don't know. Maybe because it was long time ago. I can't compare to the time when I hiked Lion's Head. I just feels like
a long time ago.
it wasn't that bad, but it was scary. The certain part. Where are we going, you guys?
I don't know.
Where are we going? Do you know the start point?
Yeah, I'm there with some group there.
Oh, hey guys, we don't even know where's the start point here. We're not chickening out.
I don't mind chickening out.
Let's see.
Yeah, I did 11. So I can
we can do 2 more. Yeah, because it's a 2 extra.
I did 11. Let's see how happy you are going and let's see how sad you are coming back. Rapsi, get it.
True. The confidence. Let's go, guys. We're starting. This is the start now. This is the serious start. How are you? 13, we go. Hi. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we haven't even done 1 kilometer, but the way we're heavily breathing, God, we need oxygen. We need an oxygen mask. Cause wow. Okay, it's up the hill, but the part where it's straight, it gets you to, catch a breath. But then now, when you go up, that's when you run out of breath. But it is when there's places where it's just like straight, because the route they map it in a way I'm thinking you should be able to now sometimes catch a breath, and it's just straight, or they make you go a little bit down again to just, yeah. But here it is. How? I saw Shapilo one, guys.
There's no
It was sharper before Fitali 2. Before 2 scheme. Aye. Scheme. Aye. Now what is sticky to professionals.
Now I'll tell with you.
Guys, schema shukeri moto. I'm with someone who does what I love. Haibo. Baby girl. Oh, conjure. When I'm shocked. Hey, Mamutu, guys. Tero show jig.
Yo, hey.
Didn't you say you're not a quitter? You're already quitting.
I give up. This is my life.
Schemeless soldier on. Come on. Don't be a loser. Let's go.
One and a half. At least I get to give.
Okay, here's the view. How's the jig?
Let's go.
Skimmy, guys. I guess that's about it. Skim, you're failing me. I'm thinking it's a nice challenge. How about the challenge, hard? How about well?
I give up.
Skip, we like it. What you? Hi, guys. Look at this view.
Oh, how is
from down there, everyone. Yeah, one all of that. Where is it? Does it show? Where are they? Where there we were? What about?
Hey, what's the mode you love us?
Okay, the mode Katalang. This is so damn nice. Oh. I'm going there. I'm still going up there. Do you see the things we do for fun? Is this fun? Kimo! I need to face my fears now.
Yeah.
I need to go up there. I'm scared of heights. And it's too late to go back. It's too late to turn. I am scared of heights, you guys born. I need to climb that thing. I've been sitting here trying to talk myself into climbing it. And one up, I'm already here, born. I'm shivering, but I'm here. Yo, guys. What must happen? What must happen? She's still coming here. Another height that I need to conquer. I mustn't look. I don't want to look. Let the video take on its own. Because if I look, guys, I'm going to get more scared. But I know I need to. This is me.
Cannot it's scary when you look down. It's very scary when you look down because you can actually see. Kolat. Kolat.
Fitlile Scheme.
It's like guys, never know what tower. You see that house? That's where we're going.
Ah, but I'm talking about tops. It's Fitlile. You guys, now I'm so scared of heights. Let me not look. We are at the top, you guys. Made it to the top. Made it to the top. I'm not a quitter. Check. We made it to the top. There's no other top. There. I made it to the top. We've made it to the top. We're busy taking pictures with Teresa. I even forgot to show you guys around. I was just so focused on pictures. But yeah, we made it to the top. Take the view. It's so nice, eh? Mother Nature, I told you. I love. I know what you see looks so crazy, but I love it. It's so beautiful. Unless if maybe my camera is just not giving it justice, but it is so pretty. But yeah, so we're going now. Let's go. Going down, it's a bit better. There they are, people. Wait, how are they now going that way? Isn't that the way around? Scheme. Oh, get it okay.
I'm not impressed with my decisions, I just want to say.
Scheme race at 13. Bella, now we get downhill. We won't get tired anymore.
I'm tired already.
I'm tired still. You're still tired. I'm so rested.
Anymore, I'm ready.
But wait, Liaka.
Sasha, ewe. Yo. Kamu fase kamu wa fite.
Yeah. How fit it?
Yeah.
It is much fuller. I think it's the stones.
Yeah. I wanna use the filling station.
King.
I wanna more.
Huh?
Wa bona motho o tsamaya le di drink mmotse gore batho mmotse re emele re batla metsi.
Re nyaka metsi karapsi. Amen.
Let's keep on going, guys.
Hurry.
Like that spirit, eh?
Which spirit?
Your spirit. Don't leave her behind.
No, I'm not gonna. We came together. There's no way I'm gonna leave her.
I think she's still down there. But let's see. That's why I need to get it once.
Scheme. I don't know why. So they've just banned you guys. And the way it looks like it's not so long that they've banned this place. With the heat, it feels double. Whew, I need water right now. I'm feeling dehydrated. We're still going up, check. Woo. And we're at, I think it's 6 kilometers now. And this is supposed to be 13. Come scheme and mates and everything, ne?
We have water.
Oh, can I please have your? I'm dehydrated now.
Is that the chair?
Yeah. It's a mayaka kwano. Rajik. You was Kim. Mara refedit no ko hodimo, so it's fine. Oh, there, yes. Okay, mon re tsamaya go teng ka go thusa. Ah.
Today more than 100 today or 150. Yeah. Sorry. Curry. That's it. Alex. Yeah, smoke usela neso and akale ba cheese.
Yeah, that's a power masagale.
Usa cheese haphela mola mo fa. Too much. Re ya go. Slopes is
Ko ba re ya ka. Ska le bala re ya ka kwa.
Just a feeling, baby. So okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. Girl, let's go. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. All girl, your faces saying why. Tearing light. Should've been more smart about it. Should've cherished me. Never friend.
Next time you go kilo saeta, the wobble walks how the reward after the swim we're done. This is how you reward yourself after the 9-kilometer chicken run. We're
You said for you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't.
Hey guys, so today is Tuesday. I got back from work and then started editing the video because I want to upload it tomorrow, and I cannot stop laughing. Like whenever I'm editing, even when I'm rewatching, I am still laughing at that hiking video. Like yeah, that was a crazy hike. Like Teresa still kills me, and I think the reason like I'm laughing so hard like this is because I didn't think this of her, you know, because I've been seeing her hiking. Like I've been commenting most of the time, like, yo dude, call me when you go for a hike, call me when you go for a hike. I mean, I'm thinking, oh, girl is on par, you know. Okay. But the way her feet were wobbling, like I could literally see that, you know, she's struggling, she's tired, and I'm feeling sorry for her. I'm like, shit, man, I don't understand like what really happened. Or maybe it's those hike, you know, I know that Joburg it's like level, so I'm sure most of the hike that she's done is just like walking like on a level. That one you climb, it's a hill, it's rocks, and it's just going up, up, up. And the funny thing is they start you from the beginning, because you saw when she was stepping up before we even got to a kilometer. It's because they don't want to deceive you where now you find yourself when you're in the middle, that's when you start hiking, you'll be like, they start you from the beginning so that you can ask yourself if you're sure if you want to really do this thing. So yeah, no man, it was very fun and crazy. If you like challenging hikes, I recommend it. I highly recommend Rustig. Plus it's in Jozi. You don't have to go that, well, not really, just like a little bit outside Jozi, 1 hour 30 minutes away from Joburg. So yeah, no man, it was very fun. I hope you guys you did enjoy both the year-end function. I had so much fun also the year-end function. I think maybe I'm so excited about like saying goodbye to my colleagues. I don't know if that's a good thing or the bad thing, but I'm just excited that I'm coming to an end of article. So the year-end function, I really enjoyed it, and the hiking. So I also did mention that I'm gonna explain to you guys why I've been away for 3 weeks, because you know I try to be consistent in this channel. Like every weekend I try to go out. It's because of like so the other week, oh my gosh, I forgot the dates actually, but I'll say the only, okay, so we're coming from this weekend, right? And that was the 1st of December. Oh, so the 1st of December, I did not vlog because I was coming from the funeral from the other week. I think it's the 20-something of November. So both, I think the first week, how are the dates? I'll say maybe the first 20-something of November, yes. So the first 30-something of November, my uncle passed away, which is my mom's cousin. But in an African culture, he is my mom's brother. So in English, like it's a cousin, but then in African culture or tradition, he's like my mom's brother because they both share a mother. So my mom's mom and my uncle's mom, they're blood sisters. So it was his funeral. So my family came over because the funeral was in Joburg. And then when I was like, okay, cool, I had planned to do something the following weekend for you guys. And then that's when my biological, will I say my biological uncle? Okay, my mom's biological brother now, this time around, not a cousin, like her brother. So she's the firstborn and then he is the secondborn. Then that's when he passed away. So, and then the following week after the burial, like for me, like no, I don't know, because for me he was like my father. Like growing up, people knew him as my dad because I was brought up by my grandmother. And then in that house, it was me, my uncle, my grandmother, and my aunt, the last born. So my parents, remember on that video where I was talking about my long journey of becoming a CA, I did mention that I first grew up with my grandmother before I started staying with my parents. So that is the uncle that I stayed with. So like it was so hard for me to say, like, to try, like I was just not emotionally okay that after that funeral I couldn't like vlog. So I know I could have been away maybe for just only the 2 weeks, but yeah, man, it was, yeah, no, it was not easy. So that's the reason. So it was just like a misfortune thing. And then I don't even know why I'm feeling so anxious when I talk about this, but yeah, what can I say? But yeah, so like I said, he was like a father to me because most people knew him as my dad. I remember when I was saying at the funeral that I never even experienced bullying because my uncle was one of those people that was feared and respected by the community. So people were like, yo, do you know Alicia's dad? You know, yo, you know, so people never ever even messed with me because of him. But yeah, man, I think well, going to church the first, because that week where I said I did not vlog, I was not feeling well, and then I went to church and I enjoyed the sermon that they were talking about. It really did uplift me. I think one thing that I've learned about like death, because it's something that's so unacceptable, like no matter how old someone can be, like someone can be on their 80s and 90s and you'll still feel that pain of death. For me, people from my family side, I don't know, I remember when I was talking to my colleague and I was saying that we're talking about why I'm not going overseas, and I was like, ever since my dad passed away, because my dad passed away when he was 59 years old, the same age as my uncle now, who was like my dad to me. He passed away also at the age of 59. So I was telling them that people in my family, they die so early, like they don't stay long. I don't know where they're going, but they die so early, and it has instilled that fear in me that I don't want to miss out time. Like maybe I'm away or working overseas and I missed out then, and then I hear that this person died, and I felt like we could have done more. I could have spent time at least, you know. I know it cannot be enough, but it's like that at least, because for a very longest time I could not understand like why did my dad go so early. But somehow I'm starting to realize that one, I need to be grateful for that, those years that I've spent with him, because when he passed away I was on my late 20s. So for that late 20 years that I got to experience with him, it's like I've learned to say that I thank God for the teachings that I got and to have experienced the fatherly love, because the people that never got to experience it. And another thing for me is I realized that we've got different journeys. It's their journeys. They have a relationship with God. They have their relationship with God. And as much as it affects me, them being gone, but I have zero control in their life. Maybe they wanted to go, who knows? Maybe when they were praying to God. So you understand. So I learned to accept that it's their journey, and their journey had to end then, as much as it is painful. And I have my journey. And that's all saying, like, what's this? I was not really well that weekend. because I was finding it so hard to be happy. I was just feeling sad. But now I've learned to ask God to, you know, to comfort me, to give me strength to continue. Sometimes I don't understand why it happened, but I always press on and believe that one day He will reveal it to me. I believe it, because in most cases, like certain things, I don't understand why it happened, but later on it gets to realize and you get to see why God did this. So my take is that I am grateful for the years, or their 59 years of living on earth, and for that part of my years. Okay, now I'm on my 30s, so for the 30 something years that I've spent with my uncle, the 17 years that I spent with my dad, and I'll carry on with their teachings, because my uncle and my dad were my heroes. I always tell my friends that, like, sometimes I always felt like I want to marry someone like my uncle and my dad, because they were so much of a family people. Like, my uncle was so much of a family person. He loves his kids, he loved his wife. Same as my dad, he was one person who loves his kids, who loved his wife. So I was like, I want that for myself too, because I've seen it, and they were the men in my life. But yeah, man, I still have another video. So next week, coming weekend, I have also something interesting happening, and I'm gonna vlog. So I'm gonna see you guys on my next upload. Please give my video a thumbs up, so that at least, you know, YouTube can recommend it to other people. And then also comment, and let's engage, man. I want to hear from you, and I will be commenting. I appreciate those that are commenting and we're engaging. And I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.